Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just install Ampere app from Play Store. So we have to enter Play Store and here we have to search Ampere. Now we have to install the app. And we can open it. Right here we have to click consent, OK, and that's health of our battery. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!